Hello there, everybody. So I just went out and got an iPhone, and I want to put some of my ringtones, custom ringtones that I've already made, onto the device. And I thought this would be relatively easy. You cannot open up your computer and go to the iDevice and simply drop and drag the files on there. It's not that simple. Apple doesn't want to make it simple for you. It took me about 2 hours to figure it out. Nevertheless, I've simplified the process down to literally about a minute to do once you understand the process. You're going to need two pieces of software. Xmedia Recode to get the formats, because iPhone likes to use a specific format. And you'll unfortunately need iTunes, because Apple likes to tell you what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. So unfortunately, you're stuck with that bloatware. By the way, the phone is like super fast and responsive, and it's a badass phone. Not sure if I'm going to keep it. The price is a little too steep. So let's go ahead and get this Xmedia Recode. Go to your favorite search engine, whatever that might be. Put in Xmedia Recode, 2 words, go. Your first link, click it. Go ahead and download it. This is for the latest operating systems, and this is for older operating systems. I'm going to skip the process because I already have it installed. I'm going to go ahead and fire up Xmedia Recode, and it'll open up to a window like this. There's a couple things we need to do to set this up. First, make sure your profile is set to custom, and then you're going to choose M4A, which is roughly halfway down on the list, and this will automatically select as well. Go ahead and select your folder you want to have the output files go to. Now go ahead and choose the files. In this case, they are OGG files, which are open source Vorbis audio files. I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. I'm going to hit open, and it's going to put them in this list. Then I'm going to take these files and I'm going to add them to the queue. Click on a file, hold your shift key down, select the last file. It selects them all for you. Hit add to queue. Press the encode button. You're done, literally. Now, we need to go to that file location, and then we need to make sure that the files are in the right format. M4A is nice and all, but your iPhone wants M4R. R as in Ricky, R as in robot. Because that's the ringtone format that it's looking for. So make sure you have your file extensions turned on. If you don't, of course this is Windows 10, you can go over here to Options, View, and make sure you have Hide Extensions for Known File Types unchecked. So what we're going to do is we're going to change every single one of these to an R. There is an easier way to do this. Whoops. And I'll show everyone how to do that. Here's a more of an advanced method if you're converting like literally hundreds of them, or 10 or 20, and you don't want to have to do this manually. I'll do that at the very end. So now they're in M4R formats, and so now we want to import them into your phone. Unfortunately, you gotta launch iTunes, the biggest piece of bloatware ever. Let your phone sync up. Click on the phone icon, go to summary, make sure you have these 3 things down here checked, and then hit apply. You'll have an apply button down here. Next, go to the three-dot menu. Hit tones. You have no tones in there, so let's go get some. File, you can either choose a specific file or a folder. We're going to do the whole folder. And as you can see, it's my ringtones folder. So you'll see there's nothing in here. Don't worry, because you're just selecting a folder. Hit select folder. And here are they appearing right here. Now, we want to get these into the phone. Real simply, click on the phone icon. Go ahead and go to tones. Check the box that says sync tones. Select it tones. And we're going to choose them all. Or you could automatically just choose all tones. Once you did that, go down here and hit the apply button. And it'll sync the device. And you should be able to open up the device. And they are all in there. And that was all played from my phone. That's it. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to go back into the advanced method and show you guys how to rename folders and files in mass. And you got to be careful when you do this. So I'm going to hold the shift key down and I'm going to right mouse click and I'm going to open command window here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in REN space star dot M4R space star dot M4A. This is going to rename any of the extensions. And as you can see, that was easy as pie. I want to put them back, so but that's it. That's how you quickly import your custom ringtones into your iPhone. No brainer. Screw you, Apple. I figured it out on how to do it. Have a good one.